Alright, hi guys! So today we're going to talk about our Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day bundle box, as well as fun things that you could do for this love season. With this month, we are going to be having a color contest for Valentine's Day. So anything and everything that has to do with Valentine's, add them into your set, and it's going to be called #AdoreAlon. So make sure you join, and we'll show you a couple of items you can use in your bundle if you would like to enter into the contest as well. But first, we'll go over the bundle itself. So our bundle is, of course, inspired by the classic Sweethearts candy. It's just a super big box of it. Of course, it has two babes from Alon, and you know we always have to have our adorable nutrition label right there for you guys. And let's go ahead and open it up. So as with any bundle that we have, it's going to come with 5 different items, but in this bundle, one of the items are going to have 3 of them. So we have 3 chocolate trays for you guys. This one is our white chocolate, our dark chocolate, and our milk chocolate trays. So we know you guys love our chocolate collection, but this is another one that we think you guys are going to really like, and it is limited edition to the bundle itself. So let's go ahead and open them up. White chocolate, of course, is going to have just your classic white color. You're going to have your milk chocolate, which is going to be that medium brown. And then you're going to have your dark chocolate, which is that dark brown color. And these are all of our cashmere lines, just special packaging. So that's going to be your color trays that come in the bundle. We also have this super fun glitter and pre-made glitter tray that we are going to give in random orders all month as long as supplies last. So you guys might even get this in your bundle, but this is a really cute way to add some fun and color into your set as well. There's some pink here. We feel like yellow is really cute for the Valentine's Day color. And then of course white and a little bit of silver there as well. So keep an eye out for these. These are our freebies coming in shipping boxes all month. And then we are going to quickly go over the other items in the bundle. So we have an anti-allergy gel. It is cherry scented, just kind of go with the cherry theme. And this is going to be 10 ml. So pretty good sizing. You guys have been loving these because it is becoming a bestseller, and it's working so well with you guys as artists and clients in terms of sensitivity. So that's always a must. We also have our cherry bomb primer. This is a mini primer, 5 ml. It does also smell like cherry, and this is going to come with a box. We're just currently waiting right now for it, and the box is really cute too. But once you guys receive it, you will have a box for it as well. And you guys love our mini primers. They're always selling out, so we thought we had to include it for you guys. Next up, we have these lint-free wipes, which we know how fast you guys go through lint-free wipes, so we had to include one. Again, Sweethearts themed and inspired, and it is going to be the heart-shaped wipes in pink. Last but not least, we're actually going to include a little mini glue for you guys. This one is Sweet Babe, so it is the pink glue, but we made her into Cupid Babe for the month just to match the aesthetic as well, and it does dry clear. So Sweet Babe is definitely an underrated glue, so we want you guys to try it, and we thought what month would be perfect to push her, which is going to be this month. So that's all the items that come in the bundle. Obviously, besides the cherry tray, these might be random, so you may or may not receive it, but that is everything in the bundle itself. Now we're going to also go over other trays that we have that can help you guys create these really fun Valentine's Day inspired sets so that you can join our contest. And go ahead and pull out some of them right now. So first off, we're going to have our Valentine's Day mixtape. You guys love these mixtape trays. These are just trays with different colors that go with the theme that we are trying to express through the mixtape. There's a SoundCloud playlist on the back that you guys can actually find on our SoundCloud. And it's just songs that we put together to get you guys into the mood. These are really pretty colors. We wanted to do, traditional colors, but also other fun non-traditional colors for Valentine's Day. So we have this ombre with the black and the pink tips. We have a classic pink color. We have really fun UV pink kind of corally color. And then a white with a purple tip color, because purple can be really cute for Valentine's Day as well. And these trays all come that could be useful. This one is in 0.05 cc. We do also have D in these mixtape trays as well. So that's a great tray to play with if you're trying to get your Valentine's Day color set on. Of course, we also have our mini color trays. These are really great if you guys don't do that much color or want to try out color and you just need a very little, especially if you're just trying to join the contest. These are a great way to get just enough, right, to do it. These all come in 10 to 15 millimeters. This one's 0.05D, and we have a lot of color options for that as well. Of course, we have our cake trays, and what better cake tray to use but our wedding cake tray. This one is limited edition, so once this line is sold out, we are done. It's done. And this whole cake line is almost sold out, so grab them while you can. But look how perfect these colors would be for Valentine's Day sets. We even have some browns, some rose golds, some classic pinks, some non-traditional, maybe just some pinks with a gray on top. Super beautiful, fun colors to play with. And again, these come in 12, 13, 14, 15 per color. And this one is 0.05D. That's another great tray to play with. If you are not comfortable with color but want to join our contest, we do have some pre-made color fans for you guys. So already made fans, you just have to place them on. They're super easy. We have a couple of color options, but of course this pink would be a great one to add on to your client's LASH sets. And then last but not least, we love our popsicle ice cream color trays, and we kind of teased you guys with this all month in January because we gave these during our birthday sale, and we wanted to do so that you guys would kind of prep for Valentine's Day, but also just to celebrate our birthday too. So look at these gorgeous colors. You're going to have two neons, a more corally, a more light pink. You have a yellow/cream color, and then just a really beautiful neon pink color as well. These do come in single links, so we have, I believe, 10 maybe to 16 or 18 possibly. But these ice cream pink trays are perfect to also create some fun Valentine's Day sets. So make sure you guys join. There's super great prizes. You can be winning our bundle itself, a basket of Valentine's Day goodies, and more. Make sure to check out the post for that. Make sure to grab our bundle as soon as you can. These bundles have been selling out every single month, literally before the month even starts. We really recommend that you guys stay on top of drop dates at this point because usually everything is gone before that month actually even starts. And we really want you guys to get your products before Valentine's Day, of course, so that you have it and can use it on your clients during the whole month and of course during the day of as well. So keep an eye out for that. We're doing drops on everything now, you guys. So we have drops on our bundles, our limited edition items, a whole bunch of other things, and we'll be announcing those on Instagram. Once they're gone, and they are gone really fast, so you don't want to miss out. Of course, we have our classic lines that are here to stay. The CD, the wedding, and the ice cream trays are all limited edition, so grab those before they're gone. Once they're gone, that's it. But our pre-mades and our mini trays are here to stay to help you girlies. So yes, those are a couple things we would just recommend to join our contest. We hope you guys have a really fun Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day thing. We have a really, really fun month ahead for you guys, filled with lots of activities happening, lots of fun drops, and lots of fun content coming out for you guys, which we're really excited about. But yes, we love this month so much. It's going to be a month of love, and we love you guys so much. So we're excited to celebrate with you guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time.